Hello, folks. Welcome to Running the Market. Here at the end of my trading day, I've taken all my trades that I'm going to take today, and just going to do a summary of my trading today. So, as my little thumbnail suggests, positive day. I took one trade in London session. It was a really nice trade. In the end, it was just such a frustrating trade. It took really long. I was in it for almost 2 hours for that trade, because all we did once I was in was chop around within this IFEG, and then eventually we broke through and hit my target. So fairly happy with that trade, happy with my patience. It was probably one of my longest trades that I've sat through. Usually I would have lost patience at that point and just closed the position, but I did hold on and get the full take profit. Essentially what it was, we were coming into the low of day. We'd been selling off quite hard, but then so I trade at key times. The key time for me is 4 a.m. New York time. That's my London session. It's the most important time, and it's where you can trust your analysis most of the time. So here we saw us invert this bearish fair value gap. We inverted it here. Didn't like it there. I don't like that wick when we invert 5-minute fair value gaps, but we did invert it properly here. Use that as support. So a lot of people might have gone in here because we rejected the fair value gap, but I'm waiting for my entry. I had a 100-tick stop, so that's where my entry was. And then I was just looking for a one-to-one. Market moved around a lot, but this turned out to be a key level. I noted it when I was in the trade. It would be the last line of defense. I wasn't confident on this move when I saw all this stuff happening. We could see us making lower lows, and I thought we'd go lower and hit my target because it was bearish. I was taking a counter trend move in fairly bearish conditions, but I noted that first of all, we didn't close below this IFVG at any point. For a lot of people, that would have been an invalidation of the entry. For me, I don't think of invalidations. I just hold the move till it takes me out either way. But I did note that first of all, we didn't close below it, and this was the last line of defense. It was this sort of intermediate sort of liquidity, and we swept that and then inverted this bearish fair value gap. There's a small one there, and then just used the fair value gap to deliver higher. So it turned out to be a nice trade, but it was just a very long, frustrating one for me. It was 100 ticks, so $250 with 5 micros. In terms of my funded account with Apex, I think so when we came into this 5-minute fair value gap, I'm trying to see what I did. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, so we double topped here in the fair value gap. It's a 5-minute fair value gap there. And then I just took the breakdown here, expecting lower prices, looking for 40 ticks, and it ended up working. So pretty happy with that. I'm trading fairly small with my Apex accounts right now. I'll probably increase the size at some point when I'm a bit more confident, and probably add more accounts when I'm a bit more confident. But I'm looking for essentially confirmation of my trading. So I'm looking for 2 weeks of positive results, and then I'll add another account and perhaps increase my size, or maybe keep the size the same, whichever one. Just looking to increase the accounts as I confirm that I am doing the right things day after day. But yeah, that's all from me today, and hope you've had a good day. I'll be back next week. Bye.